a mentoring tip for mentors, especially in this day and age, with the things happening in the world and with your mentee. I suggest that the to be list, the to do list, and the to have list of the mentee that you're interacting with weighs equally. And to recognize the importance of that, especially in the words of the mentee, is even of higher priority. And I mention this because we've often leaned more into the to-do list. And the to-do list only gets you so far because it speaks about the skills and are you able to do what you need to do. However, there is this sense of the to-be list speaks to the attitude, the willingness of the mentee to engage with you. And equally, the to-have list links into ready and the knowledge of the mentee. So I share this with you as to heighten the awareness of the to be, to do, and to have, so that you can listen through, have a different perspective of the conversation, the collaborative conversation you're having with your mentee. And when you do, I will suggest that the conversation will deepen and enrich for you both. And that is just a fabulous way to be in this two-way trusted relationship arrangement with one another. And I appreciate it because I've been able to find ways in which to assist the mentee because I have these multiple perspectives of looking at what they're sharing with me. I have an ask of you: subscribe, comment, share, like this video, and ring the bell so that you can receive notification. Also, what follows is some information about one of the latest courses or books that are available to you.